Hello viewer, this is your host Faik Hayat. I'm here with you with a new project of free cryptocurrency earning. As we have discussed before in two to three projects that we can earn free satoshis by completing some tasks. Some tasks are 20 tasks, 15 tasks, 20 or 25 tasks, or some were 3 to 4 tasks. After completing those tasks, we receive satoshis, and those satoshis can be withdrawn in Pocket Pay or Payeer. Ways of earning: list of the types of tasks you can do earn money using our services. Each task has a different way to complete. PTC advertisements, offer walls and surveys, Pocket Claim. Unique features. Pocket Crypto is not just an ordinary earning website, it is full of extra features and with a RPG, a game style. So here are all the details: referral commission, direct withdrawal, level up systems. Level up systems is like a multi-level marketing. Okay, we will talk about it later. Uh, Verge, Ethereum, Bitcoin, SV. These are the coins mentioned here. Experience, potion, timer, gold ring, commission, silver ring, multiplier bracelet, item, system, market, inventory. All the details you can see here are mentioned. Registered users are 13 lakh 5,434. Tasks completed are these. Total withdrawal is this, as you can see, guys. So let's not waste time, and we will create a live account here, and I'll show you the dashboard then, and we will do tasks and earn free cryptocurrencies. Okay, guys, as I submit all the registration form, this page appears. They are asking me to verify your email address. They are asking me to verify my email, verify this account by entering this link. Okay, I received from this email from Pocket Pay, Pocket Crypto. By clicking on this verify email address, we will be verified. I think so. Okay. Yes, we are verified now. Welcome guide, step 1 to step 4. If you want to read it, you can read it. Next, withdraw information. In order to withdraw your cryptocurrency, you must go to withdraw pay, select this Pocket Pay. You should aware of cryptocurrency. You must withdraw to Pocket Pay. As I mentioned before, you all have to be registered in Pocket Pay. You must have Pocket Pay account. Withdraw to your Pocket Pay account. Direct withdraw to wallet address. I suggest you must create Pocket Pay wallet account. I have mentioned Pocket Pay video in the description. You can rewatch it, and you can, if you haven't created, you can you create that account. So we have PTC ads 13. We don't have any survey. We don't have any offer wall. We have short links 16. We have zero balance here, and we have registered and verified account. Okay, so we are going to see PTC ads. After watching these ads, we will check available at 13, earnable coin 233, ads amount 13. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, task page. You are about to complete a task. Okay, how we are going to do this? Please click on the similar buttons in the following order: driver, florist, butcher. Driver, florist, butcher. Okay, get reward. Now you see this counter begins. We have 40 seconds. After these 40 seconds, we will redirect it to original website on the dashboard, and we will have our rewarded coins or satoshis. Let's see live hit live here. We have 18-17 seconds remaining. Guys, if you don't have Pocket Pay account or Payer account, I have mentioned it in my previous videos. I have direct video of Payer or Pocket Pay account. Please, I request you to register in Pocket Pay and Payer to withdraw your earnings. Okay, here completed task 1. If we refresh it, okay, here 224.53 coins we have received it. All tasks are 1 2 3 4 4 tasks are for 40 seconds. Okay guys, here is the procedure. Please click on the similar button in the following order: 5 10 2. So we have this 5 and we have 10 and we have then 2. Now get reward. We have 24 coins here. Now we have a countdown begin here of 40 seconds. Please don't close this page or refresh it, otherwise we will lose our coins, our task. Let them finish and stay on the page. We have 10 seconds, 9 8 3 2 1. Okay, continue. I think we have added. Okay, we got the coins. Okay, I am going to complete all these tasks and show you the actual money. We have these all tasks. Okay. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have 73.68 coins here, and I will show you the withdraw procedure. If we have to withdraw, then what will the limit? If we go to withdraw button, daily withdrawal limit is 2700 coins remaining. Mean when we have 2700 coins, we can withdraw them in our Pocket Pay account, and you can buy these coins from here also. Okay, these 20 coins are here, and in the history you can check your transactions. We haven't transacted anything yet, that's why it's not showing here. If we go to settings, we have here two-factor authentication. That is very fruitful for us, that is very secure. Most of the persons are have Google Authenticator in their laptops, or in they have in their mobiles. If you enable it, that will be very good for you. No one can approach your account. And if we go to newsfeed, we have all the website informations here. And if we go to a leaderboard, we have all the administrator advertisements, their partners, level boards, all the details here. You can see there. And if we click on this coin balance or credit, we have 73.68 coins worth of 8 BTC. That is 8, not 8 BTC, that is 8 satoshis. Okay, and because we have created our account today, so we just have BTC ads. We have short links here. You can use these facilities also. We have 2 3 4 tasks here. Okay guys, I'm giving you the referral link. I'm giving you the referral link and the Pocket Pay video detail, account opening detail, all the links in the description below. You can find all the details. If you have any query, you can find my WhatsApp number here in at this corner and contact me. Have a good day. Take care, guys. Stay tuned. Not press the bell icon. Take care.